Good morning, children. In this session, we are going to study about how to map our way. Let us go through the video, children.
Kabir and his parents are in Mumbai for a few days of sightseeing. Kabir is keen to visit the Chowpatty beach.
Excuse me, could you tell us how to get to Chowpatty beach from here?
Go straight down this road, then take a right at the signal, then take a left at the next signal, then go straight again, take a left, and then the second right.
Oh, thank you.
Dear children, nowadays, how I have to find the direction or which place you need to go, how they have to find your parent using their mobile. They put the Google map and find, like that only. You listen.
Don't worry, I've brought a tourist map with me.
The same Google map like this. We have a map here.
You always save the day, Mum. Whoever invented maps must have been a genius.
Actually, Kabir, maps have been used by man since early time to convey information about land, territory, routes and directions.
So what is the purpose of maps? You understand, I hope. Children, nowadays we can't carry this type of map books with us. Instead of we carry our mobile, there we can refer easily using Google Map.
No single map can include complete information about a place. That's why you'll find that there are many different types of maps that provide only specific types of information. A world map shows us where the different countries are located on the different continents.
And a country map tells us about the states and cities in a particular country.
So where the country map has tells us the particular states and capitals.
This map of India. We also have railway maps that show us the different train routes in a city, state.
So we have the railway maps also that shows the railway track.
Or country.
Road maps and street maps tell us about the different roads and streets in cities
So there we have the road maps also.
and towns. Let's use this road map to find the route to Chowpatty beach.
Now we use that road map and we have to find the Chowpatty beach.
But Mum, how do we use this?
All maps have some common basic features which help us read them. They have a compass rose to help us understand the directions such as north, south, east, west, northwest, northeast, southeast and southwest.
Dear children, we have some direction show. Normally we know north, south, east and west, but in between north and east that we can represent northeast, like south and west means southeast, west and south that we can name it as southwest, then north and west, northwest.
Maps also use different symbols to represent different features of a place, such as railway stations, major roads, hotels, hospitals, gardens, movie theaters, and schools.
So here children,
The legend or the key of a map explains the meaning of these symbols.
so here instead of their name, they have to using some symbols here. The hospital means they use the plus symbol. That means there is hospital. Like that, some symbols they given here. You refer the picture, children.
Another important feature of the map is its scale.
A scale?
Yes, you can see that maps represent a large area of land. To fit on a piece of paper, this land has to be greatly reduced in size. A map scale tells us how the distance shown on the map represents the distance in the real world. The scale on this map tells us that 5 centimeters on the map represents 1 kilometer on the ground. We are here at Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus and we need to get to Chowpatty Beach, which is over here.
The children, can you understand what they represent? The Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus is here, and which place we need? The Chowpatty Beach. Here children, this one. So, here we can't express for all in the single paper. So, the kilometer and all we can't draw everything in the single paper, you know. So, the type of case we should reduce the unit. These and all you have to study in your high secondary. Even though I have to introduce now itself. So, like 1 kilometer, they represent the 1 kilometer is equal to 5 centimeters. That means to take a scale, children. There 5 centimeter represent in actual distance 1 kilometer, children. Suppose in your home from our school, suppose. So, how can you find? Listen. In which direction is this Chowpatty Beach from Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus? Children, this is north. That one in north direction, children, our beach, and the Chhatrapati Shivaji is in which direction? That is in west. So, northwest. I choose that one.
Fantastic. Chowpatty Beach is northwest of Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus.
So our answer is correct. So that direction is northwest. Northwest.
Which road should Kabir take from Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus to go to Chowpatty Beach?
So which road should Kabir take from Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus to the beach? See here. So Mahabali.A I have to choose that one. I have choose this.
Brilliant. Kabir should take Mahapalika Marg from Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus.
So our answer is correct, children. The next.
On his way to Chowpatty Beach, which are the places Kabir will pass by?
So, which place and all he has passed? You see, children, here you have one place mark. Where it is? That place mark represent the police station. So, I choose that police station.
On his way to the beach, is Tarapur Wala Aquarium to Kabir's left or right?
So now, Where it is? Aquarium, children. Here. Our aquarium is here. So where it is? From he has walking means him right side only. So I choose the action right.
You're absolutely right. The aquarium is to Kabir's right.
So children, our answer is correct.
The distance from Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus to Chowpatty beach is 15 centimeters on the map. What is the actual distance by road?
Children, we need to calculate now. We can't. The kilometer and all we can't represent in our single paper. So, we reduce the unit. How can they reduce? They given a clue for you. 5 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So, here, how much they given? 15 centimeter, children. So, 5 centimeter is equal to how much? 1 kilometer. So, therefore, how much? 15 centimeter we need to find. So, 15 divided by 5. So, 1 5 is 5. 3 5s are 15. Which unit? Kilometer. So, where it is that action? That action in second. I choose date when.
You got it. The distance from Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus to Chowpatty beach is 3 kilometers by road.
So that answer is correct, children.
I just love this place. Reading the map and getting here was so much fun.
Dear children, I hope you all learned how to map our given place and direction in this session. I hope you all learned well. Thank you, children.